welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing an Hermes unboxing, and I have two items here. So I have an Hermes appointment yesterday. So I got this item on the website and have it requested to be shipped at the store, to be picked up at the store. So since I have an upcoming appointment, so that's what I did. So at least I'll be able to visit the store and check out what they have, what's new at the store. And also, I always do this like almost like the end of the year usually, so that I'll be able to keep my Hermes account active. So anyway, I have two items here with me. I'm so excited for this. And yeah, it came in with this beautiful Hermes box. So these are like really tiny boxes, guys. The box are like thin and small, and the ribbon is wrapped nicely. So let me start with the first, which one is which? Maybe I should start with this one right here. So let me put this one on the other side. Oh. And let's open this, the first item. So I am going to reveal my latest purchase from Hermes. And okay, so here's a leaflet. And then I'm going to show you the leaflet first. So it says there, Petit H. So the item that I'm about to show you, it's actually part of the Petit H collection. So it's probably some of you are not familiar with what the Petit H is about from Hermes. So Petit H is a workshop bringing artisans and artists together to create unique objects with materials that Hermes métier have no further use for, including leather, silk, and porcelain. So pretty much more likely like some of those leftover leathers that they cannot really find use of, they put it together basically and create something out of it. So if you go to the website, you'll be able to see a lot of creations out of from Petit H. So anyways, going back to my unboxing, here's the item. Okay. So this is a bag charm, and it is a horse charm. Wow, it's so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. I actually didn't, when I picked this one up, I didn't check this one at the store because it was all sealed and it was still in the box, and then they have me sign for it, and then they just put it in a bag, and then yeah, I didn't get a chance to see it. But I know that when you purchase the charm from Petit H, the product that you're actually getting is a surprise. But of course, when you go to the website, it's not that. They'll give you a little bit of a color scheme, what to expect. So in my case, with the horse charm, if you go to the website, there were like several photos on the side that more likely you will be getting when you purchase any of these. But you can select in any of those. So a surprise, meaning to say you could either get either. You could either get all the colors from the color scheme that they have, like multicolor. And also with this one, came in with this silk twill cord. And then the cord, yes, you cannot even choose the cord as well. So even the cord is a surprise for this charm, which is very interesting though. I really like the surprise. This time I got this in the orange, and the back is just plain black. So I used to buy charms in my purse in the past, and yes, unfortunately, a year ago, later last year, I got rid of my Birkin because I have it for a year, and I parted with it because it did not really work for me. And for a lot of reasons though, for a lot of reasons, I love the purse itself, but it's just so hard to, I mean, I have personal reasons why it didn't really work for me. But anyway, I always buy charms in it, like every couple of months though, and I love it. I love the Hermes charms, and also their charm is highly affordable to compared to other fashion houses right there. And to think that this one is actually made up of leather. So I believe this one is made up of calfskin leather. Very nice. Wow, this one is, you could really feel the quality of it. Very nice. Yeah, you can use this one in any of your purse. You don't have to own a Birkin or an Hermes bag to use this. You can use this one as a key holder or just a decoration. It could be anything though. Very beautiful. So that's the closer look. So yeah, this one is, it says here Hermes made in France. Very nice. And this is the black on this side, and then the other side is really orange, the iconic color from Hermes. And also right here, yeah, this one is like, it's a multicolor combination of blue and things like that. And this one is measures 4 inches long by 2.7 inches high. Yeah, very nice. I love it. So this one is currently retails for $200.75 US dollars. It's the horse charm. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Very, very nice though. Very lovely. So anyway, this is the first charm. This is how it looks. It's reversible. And moving on to the next item. So the next item is also a charm as well. And here it is. Beautiful. So to reveal, it is also the Petit H as well. And let me show you this beauty. Very nice. And oh wow, the exact color that I have been looking for. So there were like several color schemes that were actually on the website that you more likely you would get. And I was thinking, I hope that I would get this color, definitely. And I got it. I got it, guys. Color is so beautiful. Look at that. The color is more likely a Tiffany blue. Wow, it's gorgeous. The detail of it, the attention of detail is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. The cord as well. The silk cord is also nice. I love it. It's more, a little bit more of like colorful. And on the back side, it has this beautiful, beautiful red color. I just love it. This is a Tiffany blue and the red. Very nice. Yeah, I was just really hoping to get something more of a, like a lighter color. So the other one that I got, this one is more, yeah, the orange and the black. It's beautiful. And then, yeah, the black and the red. I like this one better though. This one is just like, yeah, this one is all right. But I love this one. I love the Tiffany blue and the red. So the nice thing about this, it's reversible, and look, it just feels so luxurious, guys. You could actually feel that this one is made up of a really high quality leather though. Wow. And yeah, This one has glazing, and it looks like it was very well intact. Oh, wow. Really nice. And this one I got, yeah, I think all of these are actually made in France, though. Well, it's so beautiful. Wow. Definitely perfect. Wow, very nice. Yeah, very nice. They do have, I mean, so on the website, they do have a lot of selections. They do have a lot of charms around there. You could just like find anything, like more of like a tree. They have a dogs. They have Christmas trees. They do have butterflies, rabbits. They do have a lot of things. If you are looking for something in particular, like maybe a dog, they have probably a couple of those. But I'm more of like a horse person. I love horses. So I picked this one up. And absolutely beautiful. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. It's a lucky charm though. So thank you guys for watching, and I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. To all my subscribers and viewers around the world, Merry Christmas guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!